The energy industry costs over 1.6 trillion a year, and yet it's still dominated by polluting fossil fuels.
However, there's a hidden source of renewable power that we experience every day. This hidden power source is known as waste heat. Waste heat is produced by machines and other processes which use energy and expel heat as a byproduct of their operation. Without a technology to transform waste heat into renewable energy, its value and positive impact on the environment will remain a waste. Thermoelectric generators, or TEGs, already fill this need. TEGs have a hot side and a cold side and generate power through a temperature differential. The greater the temperature differential between the hot and cold side, the more energy the TEG will produce. The hot side faces the waste heat source, and the cold side is kept cool, generating electricity.
The problem is that big energy corporations haven't figured out how to make a profit turning everyday small-scale sources of waste heat into power. Big corporations can only make money from big energy sources, and waste heat is small power for the little guy. Tapping into this free power requires thousands of inventors to experiment with different configurations to find out what works and what doesn't. The Thermopower Inventors Kit provides everything the next generation of energy inventors need to get started. Included are 3 thermoelectric generators, 1 heatsink, thermal adhesive, and a charge controller. Additionally, the kit includes an acrylic Fresnel lens to get you started with your first experiment concentrating sunshine to generate enough heat to charge a cell phone. What's more, inventors can track their power generation using apps like Ampere, available for free through Google Play. That turns their cell phones into power meters. From school students to home hobbyists to established engineers, anyone with an imagination can become a scientist and creator with the Inventors Kit. Discovering new sources of waste heat and building customized devices to capture it and transform it into energy they can use right away. This kit makes a great gift for friends or students with an interest in science and technology. We created the Thermopower Inventors Kit to launch a revolution in power just like the revolution in computing. The first commercially available computers were giant, expensive, power-hungry machines that needed whole teams of engineers and scientists to maintain. But when Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak offered the first Apple I as a mail-order hobbyist kit for only $666.66, they launched the personal computer industry that is now worth trillions of dollars worldwide. We've priced the personal power kit at just $333.33, so that today's inventors can join a market projected to grow to $1 billion over the next 2 decades. If you want to invent new environmental solutions, care about renewable energy, and want to begin building solutions to those damaging fossil fuels, then purchase our Inventors Kit at the link below on our Indiegogo site.